So let's move further and feel the relevance of worry with our life, with responsibility. Worry versus responsibility. Stress is building up only if there is worry, and if there is no worry, the stress will not build up. One question to you: is worry a must when you have responsibility? Is worry a must when we have responsibility or not? Yes, sir, sure. People normally, when they have responsibility, at same time they immediately started feeling worried. So let's re-ask ourselves, is worry a must when we have responsibility or not? Or worry just comes, it just happens? There's a difference. The fact is, worry is negative, responsibility is positive. So worry and responsibility, they go in the opposite directions. Worry will take a person away from justifying one's responsibility. We all need energy to function. For doing anything, we need energy. Energy is required when we have responsibility. When we have responsibility, responsibility means positive. Here our energy is invested. We are walking, talking, studying, thinking. Thinking again needs energy. And worry is our thinking process. When you worry, your energy is diverted towards worry. And worry being negative, here energy is wasted. If, for example, 20% of your energy has gone to worry side, then how much is left on other side? Are you sure 80%? Is 80% left or something else? Something else. Let's for a time being accept their answer of 80%. Just to check, is it 80% or something else? Worry is negative, responsibility is positive. So like a game of tug of war, they keep on pulling each other. If you have seen the game of tug of war, a very big rope being pulled by two different groups. When energy of group A is balanced by energy of group B, a group having more energy is a winner. So here it will snatch away equal amount of energy, and that's 20%, and we are left not with 80% but 60%. So here 60% is left, and people feel very comfortable that there's something and काम चल जाएगा. If 50% of your energy it goes to worry side, then what will happen? If 50% of your energy it goes to worry, then what will happen? It will snatch away equal amount, that's 50%, and we are left with no energy, nil energy. When energy is nil, the mind cannot function. The way without energy, the laptop, the projector, or any best of equipment will not function, same way the best of the mind will not function when we have no energy. But if 100% of your energy it goes to worry, then what happens? If 100% of your energy it goes to worry, then what happens? It needs equal amount to balance it. It will snatch away equal amount from body's reserve quota of energy. In which part of body the energy is stored? Our energy is stored in liver. From liver it will snatch away equal amount and one feels lifeless. Our energy is precious. When you worry, it gets diverted towards worry and is wasted.